The easiest way to insert files from Drive into your web page is to use the Insert Folder option. So this is my web page that I'm working on, and you can see I'm already editing this. I've already clicked the pencil to edit this. But I'm going to go back to my Drive, and I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it materials, something materials. So chemistry 1 materials, ag science materials, English 3, CP materials. I like to put the word materials on there so I can remember what that folder was. And once I've created that folder, I can then drag and drop any files into this folder. It could be Word documents, Excel, PowerPoint. I can use Google Drive documents, like a Google Doc, or Google Sheets, or Google Slides, PDFs, pictures, anything will work in this. But now that this folder has been created, I can come back to my web page and say, insert from Drive a folder. And if it doesn't show up right at the top, right here, this is by the most recent, you can just search for it in the search box. But this is the one I wanted. I'll select it. I like to use grid because it puts an actual picture of what everything is. If you choose it to be a list, it'll literally just list out the file names and save.
Teachers with first, second, and fourth period
and then we have that
planning,
announcement.
please check your email regarding coverage. Teachers with first, second, and fourth period planning, please check your email from Mr. Talbot regarding coverage.
And then we can save it. And you'll see that it pops up once it saves as a box here that's labeled test materials. Now there's nothing in it right now. So if I come back to here and I want to create a new document in this folder, and I will call it syllabus. And I'll put some information here. I might insert an image. And I'll just search for something school related. Yeah, that looks good. Put that in there. All right, so I've got some words, a picture, all changes are saved. So I can close this. I can see that it shows up here in my test materials folder. If I come back to my web page and reload this, I can see that in the test materials box is this Google document called syllabus. Any PDF you put in there, anything else you put in there will automatically show up. So when you need to change out anything, you put a new syllabus, a new anything, you don't have to do anything else to this web page. You can just come back to your Drive folder, remove the ones that you don't need anymore, and put in the current ones, so you don't have to mess the web page anymore.